45 minutes on this part. Check the dimension. 8 thousandths over. Scrap it. You blame the tool. You blame the program. You check the fixture. Meanwhile, your coolant tank runs hot and low. Nobody noticed. Your cutting tools cost 6% of every part. Your coolant costs 10%. You track tool wear down to the minute. When did you last check coolant concentration? Watch what happens when coolant fails. Level drops, temperature rises. Your tool loses lubrication. It runs hotter. Heat transfers into your workpiece. A 12-inch steel part at 150 degrees, it grows 10 thousandths. Your tolerance is 5. You're making scrap and you don't know it yet. The hot tool wears faster. Dull edges generate more heat, more expansion. The cycle feeds itself. One problem becomes 5. Temperature kills you 2 ways. Too cold? Coolant thickens. Won't reach the cutting zone. Your tool runs dry. Too hot? Bacteria explode. The rotten egg smell on Monday morning? Anaerobic bacteria. They live under the tramp oil layer. They're eating your coolant chemistry. This is what most machines use, a mechanical float. Chips jam it. Tramp oil coats it. It tells you nothing about temperature, nothing about how much coolant remains. You find out there's a problem after you've already made scrap. TrueLevel works different. Solid-state sensor, no moving parts, nothing to jam or stick. It reads level continuously. Measures temperature at the top of your tank and the bottom. Sends data to the controller. The LED bar? Visible across the shop. TrueLevel controls your skimmer automatically. Tramp oil causes 2 problems. It feeds bacteria and it breaks down your coolant chemistry. Both shorten coolant life. TrueLevel runs your skimmer when removal works best, not on a timer, when conditions favor it. One shop went from changing coolant every 8 weeks to every 28 weeks. Labor saved, material saved, disposal costs down. The controller shows depth in inches, gallons remaining, temperature top and bottom. An aerospace shop tracked results for 6 months. Tool life jumped 50%, from 28 minutes to 42 minutes per tool. Scrap rate fell 72%, from 3.2% to 0.9%. They saved $257,000 in 1 year. Installation takes 30 minutes. Basic tools. Mount the sensor bracket to your tank. Position the controller where you see it. Attach the LED bar up top. Connect power. Works with tanks 2 to 9 inches deep. Mills, lathes, grinders, any machine with a coolant tank. Your coolant does the same job your cutting tool does. Removes heat. Lubricates the cut. Flushes chips. Protects the finish. Bad coolant ruins good tooling. Wrecks good programs. Scraps good parts. You know your spindle speed. You know your feed rate. Know your coolant. True Level CNC. Stop guessing. Start knowing.